Hello, my name is Mihaela Gruia and I'm the founder and director of Research Retold. In this short video, I will talk to you about a new exciting collaboration between Research Retold and McMaster University, which will help you make an impact with your research by teaching you how to create a communications plan. We are a specialist research communication company based across the pond in the UK. What makes us tick is helping researchers communicate their findings in accessible and visual ways to non-academic audiences. We do this by turning long, complex research reports into visual documents that spark conversation and inspire action. For example, we create infographics, visual summaries, policy briefs, illustrations, interactive reports or videos for researchers who want to go beyond academia and into communities that can make a difference. But you might be asking yourself, why is this so important? I'm already busy enough. Why go that extra mile to communicate my research in an easy to understand way? Well, in this video, I share with you 5 reasons why communicating your research beyond academia is worth your time. And after this, I'll tell you a little bit more about the collaboration and how you can get involved in the events we have planned for you. There's an emerging body of articles talking about the fact that academic papers are either not read or cited. Take, for example, this article in the London School of Economics Impact blog that looks at the academic literature on citations. Well, this can be disheartening given how long the publication process is and the amount of effort that goes into writing articles. This author concludes by not finding definitive evidence to back up this claim that 90% of academic papers are not cited. Take this Chronicle of Higher Education article as well, where the author is equally incredulous about how low the readership of academic papers is. In fact, there's an entire debate going on the internet on whether academic papers are cited or not. While the jury is out on this topic, there's one main message to take away from this. There's a risk that your paper might not be read, whether it's journal or language barriers or ever-decreasing attention spans. If you want your research to make a difference, it is up to you to increase the visibility of your work, and it's not enough to simply have it published in an academic journal. Sometimes research is misinterpreted by the media and journalists give their own spin. Now, whether that's deliberate or accidental, it does affect how the public view our findings. What's published in the mainstream media rapidly finds its way to social media where, true or false, it spreads far and wide. By publishing an accessible summary of your findings, you give the public access to a narrative that you control when they come looking for more information. Clearly, if you think your research is important, then you want it to reach those who can do something about it. The world is facing a number of complex problems that require collective action and solid evidence. Whether it's about food supplies, labor rights, well-being, or any other social phenomena, those who can make your research impactful are busy, may lack that specific expertise, or have little time to digest long articles or reports. Grab their attention with a well-produced visual summary. The World Bank has data on the amount of scientific and technical journals that have been published in the last decades. We can see here that since 2004, the number of journal articles almost doubled from 1.2 million to 2.3 million. There is more and more information being published, so it's crucial to stand out from the crowd. By publishing an accessible summary of your work, you increase the chances of your research being seen and acted on. Academics are under increased pressure to create research impact beyond academia. Well, as stated here by Jonathan Shepherd, research is most successful at reaching policymakers when it's straightforward and engaging. What doesn't work for audiences outside of academia is an 120-page report. Now that you've heard these reasons, I'd like to hear from you. Which of these 5 reasons resonated most with you, and why do you think it's important to communicate your research beyond academia? On this page under the video, you will find a downloadable document where you can insert your answers. Here's what we have in store for you. On the 13th of November, we are meeting in a live Zoom session to discuss the reasons why communicating your research beyond academia is important. We'll explore opportunities and identify some obstacles that you need to overcome in order to do this effectively. In this session, I will also introduce you to the concept of a central research message, and I will challenge you to create your own 60-second research pitch. These are invaluable tools for you to be able to communicate your research effectively. On the 16th of November, you will watch another short, I promise, video of me telling you what a communications plan is. We will cover the 5 building blocks of a communications plan, and then I'll challenge you to apply those to your own research to start creating your own plan. On the 20th of November, we meet again on Zoom. You'll have an opportunity to apply some of those theoretical concepts that you learn in the video to your own research. You'll create your own communications plan and get support and advice from me. I hope you'll join us in this interactive session on research communication. You can sign up for the events I mentioned at the link under the video. And for any questions in the meantime, please feel free to email Michelle or myself at mihaela@researchretold.com. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.